Monday morning blues. I open my eyes and I'm greeted by a cute little smile. The world is new with you by my side. Everything is beautiful. Tuesday afternoon, I'm calling you home just to hear your voice on the phone. I think of you and I'm not alone. You are everything under the sky so blue. I found my piece of heaven.
Nanabago Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. Para sa video na to guys, meron tayong mga delights or treats coming from Convo and Concoctions. So these are our food for today guys. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go. Alright, so for our items guys, meron tayong 6 flavors or different kinds of variants sa mga sinend nila sa atin. So meron tayong Revel at saka mga brownies. So these are the packaging. Available po sila for us, which is for groups, or for me, which is para sa mga single naman yan. Either a paper cup like this or boxes na mga ganito. So sa mga flavors natin guys, meron tayong classic brownies. Ang tawag po nila dito ay Lux. Next for the brownies is yung kanilang Nutty Bliss. If you notice, this is fully loaded ng mga nuts and different chocolate chips. Third is the Zenny, a mix of almonds, cashew, walnuts, the sweetness of white chocolate. Now for the Revel, the first one is the Bomb. For those who are caramel lovers, so this one has the flavor of your favorite. Another Revel delicacy is yung kanilang Bash. Has the flavor of dark choco and the makeover of nutty goodness. And then lastly, this one they call it Bites. You're gonna enjoy the classic Revel bar with the dark chocolate twist. New on their list, this one they call it Cake Pops. So if you notice, these are the classic cupcakes in flavors of chocolate, vanilla, and red velvet. So tingnan na natin guys. I wanna try first sa kanilang brownies. My observation, actually, all of our goodies are really eye-appetizing. From the look of them, they are already inviting you to taste and indulge. Good job. Commendation to you guys. At first, when you bite it, what do you call it? A little bit crispy, parang gano'n, no? But as soon as you bite in the middle, ayun, so moist. Let's go next with their Revel. And guys, this one is the Bash. Available po siya sa box na to. Actually, this in itself, nung binuhat natin siya kanina, it's so a little bit heavy for the size, no? Right, let's taste it. So another one from their Choco Blocks, mga brownies natin. This is called the Bliss. Comparing it with the first brownie that we tasted, although chocolate flavor sila, this one actually has a deeper chocolate flavor. Next from their Choco Block is called Zenny. Physical appearance, ito po siya. So ito naman yung sa mga excited kong kainin since I like caramel, so I'm tasting it. Here it is. I'm actually surprised, even though these are considered sweets, my personal take, hindi po sila ganun katamis. Not to mention, they actually use premium grade ingredients para talagang super satisfied ang mga taste buds natin. Alright, so one of their cake pops. Look at this. It is so fancy in appearance. Cheers. What made me got surprised is mayroon siyang cream cheese in the middle. So, a different flavor dun sa usual icing, which is, you know, sweet. And then yung cream cheese natin has that creaminess, of course, a little bit sour, which makes it very diverse kapag nginunguya natin siya. So, good job. I like it. One more bite. Alright, so there you have it guys. If you're interested to taste yung mga goodies ni Convo and Concoction, little bit of information, they are at Facebook, so go check them out, facebook.com/2019cc. You can also check them at Instagram, so that's at convo_concoction2019. And if you're at TikTok, you can also order from their TikTok page, so yun po yung cc_2019. For a minimum purchase of 500 pesos, free delivery po kayo within Angeles area. If less than 500 naman po, meron tayong delivery fee via Lalamove. Alright, so there you have it, guys. I'm gonna enjoy this off camera. Thank you so much, Convo and Concoction. This is a lovely treat for my family. You'll surely enjoy this. Guys, kayo naman, it's for you to find out. This is for you to taste. So go check them out. Go buy from Convo and Concoction. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye, guys.